The Eglinton Crosstown project is the largest transit expansion in the history of Toronto, designed to connect communities seamlessly for life, work, and play. Running over 19 kilometers along Eglinton Avenue and consisting of 25 stations and stops, the Crosstown will travel up to 60% faster than current bus service. Since early 2017, buildings have been constructed at the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility, the EMSF, located north of Eglinton Avenue between Ray Avenue and Industry Street. At this facility, light rail vehicles, known as LRVs, will be tested and commissioned before the opening of the Crosstown. When the Crosstown opens to the public, the facility will be used to store and maintain these vehicles. Since the start of 2018, construction highlights at the EMSF include, in the maintenance building, installation of wall and roof cladding covering, the beginning of interior rail installation, ground level windows in the TTC Operations Building, and preparatory work for a new bridge over Eglinton Avenue from Photography Drive. Just south of this will be Mount Dennis Station, the Crosstown's western terminal station, and a Metrolinx designated mobility hub. This station will provide a seamless transition to the Go Kitchener line and the Up Express, and will feature a bus terminal and a passenger pickup and drop-off area. Some recent highlights for this station include relocation of the former Kodak Building 9 to its original location on a new foundation, the start of the Mount Dennis Station Box and main entrance construction, and excavation for a new pedestrian tunnel under the rail corridor. When complete, Mount Dennis Station will have 3 accessible entrances. The main entrance will be at the west end of the station, the secondary entrance will be at the east end of the GO corridor on the north side of Eglinton Avenue, and the third entrance will be on the ground level of the former Kodak Building 9. We are excited about the future and appreciate your patience as we work to build this important transit project. Keep an eye out for more progress updates on thecrosstown.ca and on Twitter at CrosstownTO in the coming months.